Once upon a time. That is a line that has captivated the world for generations. Stories are like time machines. They can take us to a time long gone. Stories are like teleporting machines. They can transport us to a world imagined in a far distant future. It is through stories that the human life is recorded. It is through stories that the human narratives are told. It is through stories that our history is remembered. There is a functional aspect to storytelling. It is a tool, an effective tool, even in the business environment. So whether you're marketing, promoting, selling a product, a service, or an idea, the fact is, if you cannot tell it, you cannot sell it. So if you want to leverage on the power of storytelling for effective communication, come to our workshop, The Magic of Stories, where you will learn where to get stories, how to adapt them for delivering your messages, and how to captivate your audience with your storytelling, and many more. So see you at the workshop of The Magic of Stories.